Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition and life coach specialized in obesity and diabetes management. So today's video is a fantastic recipe for carnivore focaccia. I made this recipe because I made the protein sparing bread. So I have 12 egg whites and then I have 12 yolks. So I thought I'll give it a try. I found this recipe on another channel which I forgot the name, the ketogenic neuropath or something. I put it on the screen anyway, so I put the nomination. She actually makes bagels with it, but I thought I wanted like a nice tall focaccia bread, which I think I achieved. Look how nice and tall it is and spongy and all that. But before I try it, let's have a look at how I made it. So to 12 egg yolks, this is actually 12 egg yolks plus one white because it broke, so I just added one egg white, which doesn't matter. What you're going to need is 40 grams of melted fat, so either butter, tallow, lard, anything you want. Of course, no vegetable oils, anything like that. 2 teaspoons of baking powder and some salt. Here I added half teaspoon of salt, but it's too salty, so definitely a quarter of a teaspoon is more than enough. And then I grated some pecorino on top, which gives it a really nice crust when it's baked, and some rosemary, but of course you can, if you're like purist carnivore, just leave the rosemary out, 100% fine, and even the cheese. You bake it for around 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, fan assisted, or until it's cooked through basically. Then you take it out, let it cool, and look how nice, tall, spongy this focaccia is. It's gonna be delicious on its own, or with some bread, with some ham, some cheeses, for breakfast, with bacon and all that. But let's give it a taste. As I say, it's a bit, I added a little bit too much salt, which I thought half teaspoon for this whole thing, but okay. I mean, it's so like soft and airy, like this compared to the protein sparing bread. We are on another planet, of course. This is a fat bomb, it's just egg yolks and butter. So this is definitely for one of your high fat days, but I think overall it's amazing. And I saw the other lady made bagels, and there was another lady who made muffins. So if you're making like protein sparing bread, this is a fantastic recipe how to use those egg yolks. Or even if you don't make protein sparing bread, still you can make this focaccia bread. And yeah, so let me know in the comments below what do you think about the video. What's your favorite kind of carnivore bread recipe? I think from all that I've tried, I tried one chicken one that I didn't even show you guys because it was disgusting. This is definitely the easiest and most successful one. I think you can't really mess it up. And yeah, you get all the nutrition from the yolks. But I want to know in the comments below your favorite carnivore bread recipe. How do you get those, how do you hit those bread cravings on a carnivore diet? But yeah, this is it for today. Make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram and all that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.